Oh, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I wanted to do at least one video with this wig on after taking all the trouble to put it on, but I didn't want to wear a hat because that kind of defeats the purpose. But then the microphone, I don't know what to do with it because I've been putting it on a hat for so long. And I don't want to hear, I know, I'll hear from people. There's beard noise out there, beard noise. Maybe I can put some of this inside. Kind of like with the wig. Anyway, yes, what am I going to do? I've got a box of things to look through. And much as I would like to do it with a wig, I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can, unless I can find somewhere else quite close by to put this microphone that it won't get interfered with. And I'm not sure where that would be. I'm just not sure. You see, if you put the hat on, it kind of ruins the effect of the wig. And the wig actually just slid down my head some. And that's not good. Not good. Of course, they would say in the birdcage. Or my favorite line of that. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Anyway, the mic might be okay here, but I know the beard is coming out. So maybe, possibly, maybe. Here's something. Remember this thing? I don't know if it comes up any. I think it's just at whatever height it's at. Oh. Maybe, possibly, this. But hold on. It might try it. It might. I don't know if it's going to stay on. But maybe if I put that here. Maybe that will work. So even though it's for a camera, it may be that this would do with a mic stand. Possibly. Anyway, we'll see. I'm going to go get the box, and then I'll start recording some of the things that I find in it. Oh, here's. No, there's another thing. Let's say here. Oh, it's a constant battle. Funny, I don't really like the way that's standing. I wonder. Is it going to show up there? Yeah, it's going to show up there. And you know what? I don't really like to have to talk loud. I don't. I wonder if I could set that in there. But, yeah, we'll see. Anyway, valuable skill in life, being able to adapt. Anyway, thanks for coming. I'm going to go and get this banker's box. I think the banker's box, as you'll see, it's probably not going to survive this. This is pretty rough. But I have others. So, thanks for coming to the TV room. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley, at your service. Bye for now.